This is how I made friends with a squirrel. When I first met this squirrel, it was winter and she was cold and hungry. She had a skin condition that led to a loss of fur, which can be fatal for squirrels because of exposure to cold temperature. She put her little life in my hands. Literally, one day she jumped into my palm. After speaking to some experts, I went into the forest to give her the medicine she needed. I also started to bring her coconut oil covered seeds and other snacks to help her coat of fur recover so she could stay warm and survive. Months passed. Whenever I came to the forest, she'd come running to find me.
Come on.
Her fur grew all the way back in and she seemed happy and healthy, living her little life in the woods. I was trying to follow the example of St. Francis of Assisi, who treated animals as little brothers and sisters in spirit. I decided to fall in love with this woodland creature and be a friend she could lean on in her time of need. And I learned that even little beings, just like this one, can have a big impact in opening our hearts to a greater love.